Do you all want to say anything? Want to say anything to us? Or?
I'm sorry, we didn't even get your name. We apologize.
Okay, I'm Nancy Wicker.
Nancy Wicker. And he pleaded to misprison of a felony, right? Is that correct? Could you just, you went over the information a little bit quickly. The relationship, basically in a nutshell, what was he accused of doing? This $500 kickback was supposed to go, or come from who?
Right. What he actually pled guilty to was he was prisoner of a felony. Right. And what that means is that you have knowledge of a felony offense committed by another person or persons, and you do not reveal it to law enforcement authorities, and you take an affirmative step to cover it up. That's what he actually did.
And the $500 came from a group that was promoting the homecoming dance? What was
What I stated in the report was that there was an agreement for a $2,000 kickback to Mr. Givens. That was to come out of an official draw that the promoters were given, because it turned out the kickback was smaller than expected because they were strapped to cash, so the actual kickback was $500.
And the kickback, it was to give the contract to this company putting on the homecoming dance? Is that what?
The kickback was as a reward for promoting, getting university officials to select the entertainment as the promoter to do that.
It's W-E-E?
It's W-E.
W-E. And you're going to recommend, I mean, if he carries out the terms of the plea agreement, you will recommend a 6-month suspended probation sentence.
That's correct.
And that'll all depend on, what happens down the road.
That's correct.
The trial for Mr. Pinson, is that still on? Is there a date set for that at this point?
That is correct. That is set. Jury selection is June 12th, and the trial will start June 16th.
Up in Columbia?
Is Mr. Givens expected to be a potential witness in that trial? You said he's expected to testify or might be asked.
Well, I said if called upon to testify, he will do so.
His plea agreement, as you heard Ms. Wicker go over his plea agreement before, one of the conditions of his plea agreement was that he cooperated while he wanted to do so. We'll have a full witness list at jury selection on the 12th. We're still making the decision as to who all is going to be taken.
But we wouldn't be on the potential witness.
Yes, sir. Sure.
If he was caught on the wiretap,
as far as I get some of the important things,
And who owns the entertainment?
Well, the festival that we're in will donate to the promoter and their volunteer to, as I stated in the school,
He gave the $500 back to a foundation of the university?
Mr. Givens.
What was the name of the foundation?
I believe it's Education Foundation.
And how quickly after he took the money did he give it back? I mean, is that pretty quick?
I don't recall the exact time frame, but it's pretty quick.
And so basically what he did wrong was just not to say he did that.
That what he was accused of and what he was charged with is having knowledge of a public felony and bringing it to the attention.
Did he actually lie to law enforcement about it?
I believe I stated it open court, but yes, when they interviewed him before February 2011, he was specifically asked about his knowledge of a kickback scheme in regard to homecoming concert, and he did not.
And law enforcement knew going into that interview that they had him on a wiretap?